Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto into the Hotcoin global exchange. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this code, which will make you eligible for sign-up bonuses. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. To deposit crypto into our Hotcoin account, we head to our wallet, deposit, select the crypto we want to deposit. We are depositing USDC. Select the network we want to deposit the USDC on. We will be choosing the Binance Smart Chain. It should take about 10 minutes for the funds to arrive in our Hotcoin account. Next, we are going to copy our USDC address and head to Blofin as we are depositing funds from our Blofin account. In our Blofin account, we head to our assets, withdraw, select crypto. We can see we have about 5120 in USDC. We need to make sure that our token and network match up with the token and network on our Hotcoin account. Sending any crypto to another address other than USDC on the Binance Smart Chain may result in a loss of funds. For the address, we are going to paste the deposit address from Hotcoin. We can then head down to withdrawal details. We are withdrawing the maximum amount. We can see there is a 20-cent fee to withdraw on the Binance Smart Chain. So we will be receiving about 51 USDC in our Hotcoin account. We can then click withdraw. We want to go over the details again and make sure that the address, network, and token all match up with our deposit address on Hotcoin. If there is a mistake, we do have a potential to lose our funds. So once we've confirmed those details, we can click continue. We need to send an email verification code. So we're going to copy and paste that and then put in our 6-digit Google Authenticator code from our phone. Once we have both codes, we can continue. And our 51 USDC is successfully on its way to our Hotcoin account. We'll pick the video back up when our funds have arrived in our account. We use Blofin for this tutorial because they don't require KYC. If you want to follow this video step by step, I recommend you check out Blofin. When you click the link in the video description to sign up on Blofin, you'll receive 10% cash back on your trading fees, as well as additional bonuses. In the deposit section in our Hotcoin global account, we can see that the USDC was deposited into our account on the Binance Smart Chain at 17/20/18. So it took about 2.5 minutes for the funds to be withdrawn from Blofin and deposited into our Hotcoin account. We can also see the USDC in our wallet right here. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching and bye for now.